Welcome to this new moon in Virgo Reiki healing session. I invite you to take a deep breath in, let it go, just being fully present. This new moon is our cosmic reset button. It's a time to release, renew, and plant seeds for a new beginning. Virgo energy calls us back to clarity, order, alignment, and it reminds us that the details matter and that healing happens when we create this space within. So, if you are ready to continue on this journey, consent to accept the Reiki. And as we begin, I invite you to set an intention. And I want you to think about what you're ready to release. And then, what new beginning do you want to welcome into that space? And just check into the heart space and see if the heart is revealing anything to you of what that intention is now. And if it doesn't, that's okay too. Just trust that it will be revealed to you, and whatever's releasing to make space for coming in is for your highest good. Beautiful. So if you're ready to continue and begin relaxation and a body scan, I invite you to get comfortable, gently close your eyes. I'm opening up the Reiki energy now. And just bring your awareness to your breath. With every inhale, feel light entering your body. And with each exhale, releasing what no longer serves. And bring your attention to your top of your head, just feeling that forehead begin to soften, your jaw unclenching. Feel the crown of your head opening gently like a flower receiving light. Bringing awareness to your neck and shoulders. Imagine, sense, or feel healing energy pouring in like warm golden light into that space, melting away any stress or tension and burdens. Moving down through your chest and heart, feeling it expand with love and peace. Through your solar plexus, your belly, releasing any knots of worry and filling you with calm, confidence. Through your hips, pelvis, releasing old emotions and bringing creative flow. Through your legs and your feet, grounding you deep into the earth. Connected, safe, and supported. Beautiful. Now let's begin the Reiki healing activation. Imagine, sense, or feel my hands hovering gently over your crown chakra. Feel this energy streaming down, cleansing and aligning. Your mind beginning to quiet and calm. Virgo is ruled by Mercury, the planet of clarity and communication, so allow your thoughts to clear, creating space for wisdom and new ideas. Now feel my hands at your throat chakra. Imagine, sense, or feel this healing energy dissolving blocks in your voice. You are safe to speak your truth, safe to share your vision. Moving down to your heart chakra, the new moon reminds you to release any heaviness and open to fresh love. Feel this healing energy mending old wounds. My hands are extremely activated right now. So this is working to expand your capacity to give and receive love. Now imagine, sense, or feel my hands by your solar plexus. Virgo rules health, vitality, and the body. So this healing energy will strengthen your core power, clearing self-doubt and igniting confidence. Now at your sacral chakra, releasing old shame, past labels, and patterns. Filling this space with creativity, flow, and joy. Moving to your root chakra, imagine, sense, or feel this Reiki energy grounding you, stabilizing you, and connecting you to the earth. That grounding energy. Here you are safe. Here you are whole. Beautiful. Now I want you to focus on the space between your eyebrows and imagine a clear night sky. The new moon hangs above you. It's dark and fertile and full of possibility. Imagine, sense, or feel a soft white light pouring down from the moon into your crown. filling every cell of your body with fresh energy. As this lunar Reiki flows through you, see all the clutter, the old stories, and scattered energy dissolving away. Virgo energy brings order where there is chaos. Feel your energy field becoming clean, organized, and aligned. Now visualize a seed in your hands. This seed carries your intention for this new moon. Hold it close to your heart. Speak your intention into the seed in your mind's eye. Now plant the seed in fertile soil beneath this new moon. See roots growing deep into the earth and new sprouts reaching toward the light. Your intention is now alive. It's already manifesting. Feel this energy sealing your aura with a golden light of protection. You are safe. You are aligned. You are supported in your new moon intentions. Bring your hands to your heart now and take a deep breath in. And exhale with gratitude. Thank yourself for showing up. Thank the moon for her guidance. Thank the Reiki energy for this healing and activation. When you are ready, slowly come back to the body. Gently open your eyes and carry this new moon energy with you, organized, grounded, and healed. It has been an honor to guide you through this Reiki healing activation session. Namaste.